Would a rat choose food over saving a drowning companion? That's what a team of scientists in the University of Chicago wanted to find out, and the results were shocking. First, they placed one rat inside a restrainer, a small transparent cage, and then locked it shut. The trapped rat would scream and squirm in distress, but outside the cage was another rat completely free. Now, this wasn't just a random pairing. In fact, these rats were cage mates. They had lived together, played together, and eaten together. So the question is, would one rat care about the suffering of its companion? At first, the free rat seemed confused. They sniffed at the restrainer, circled it, and even tried gnawing at the edges, trying to free his companion. But after a few sessions, something incredible happened. The free rats learned how to open the cage, and the moment they did, they freed their trapped friend. And this wasn't an accident. The rats didn't open empty cages or ones containing fake rats that were planted there intentionally. They only opened the ones with a live, struggling rat inside. But this was only the beginning. The scientists then tried to make it more challenging. They locked the restrainer more securely. The rats still persisted, scratching, pushing, biting at it, until it opened. And this part is actually really cute, because once the trapped rat was out, both of the rats would jump and run around, squeaking with excitement, like a joyful reunion. This time, the scientists wanted to really challenge the rats. They placed two restrainers in the arena. One held the trapped rat, the other held chocolate chips. Ooh, that's evil. Now the free rat had to choose to save its friend or eat the chocolate. The result, the free rat would save its friend first and then get the chocolate chip. And when it found the chocolate chip, it wouldn't just hoard it, it would actually share it with its companion. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna tear up. Over multiple trials, the rats consistently split the chocolate evenly. Even when there were only a few pieces, they pushed them towards their freed friend instead of eating everything for themselves. But it didn't stop there. In a later experiment in Japan, another group of researchers pushed this even further. They put one rat in a water tank, forcing it to swim, squeak, and struggle for its life. I know, poor rat. Outside, another rat had the power to open a door and let it out. And guess what happened? The dry rat learned to open the door, not for treats, not for food, but simply to save its drowning companion. Then came the ultimate test: rescue a drowning companion or chocolate. More than half of the rats, sometimes up to 80%, chose to help first. And think about that, a rat with no moral compass, no religion, no laws, choosing to help another before rewarding itself. So what does this mean for us? Perhaps empathy isn't a human invention. Perhaps it's evolutionary, a built-in survival mechanism to ease the pain of others, because one day that pain could be ours too. Maybe this experiment isn't just about rodents. Maybe it's a mirror showing us who we really are underneath it all. Because if even a rat can stop to help another in pain, what's our excuse?